Hey guys, welcome to Laratips. In today's video, we'll be looking at the new thing that is added to the version 8.80.0. There aren't many things that are added to this version, so we'll be only looking at one thing that has been added. So the thing that has been added is this support for specifying a route group controller. So let me show you an example. So here, route prefix, invoice, name, invoice dot, and let us add some controllers over here. So invoice controller, the generate method, this for the generate route, and here in the name also we have generate. Similarly, we have this download route, this invoice download route, which will call this download method on this invoice controller, and it has a name as download. Similarly, I have another also, and now I have closed this. I already have invoice controller. If you see here, this is the invoice controller, and in this case we have this specific methods for this prefix, name, but now there is one controller method as well. So if you see here, we have to write this invoice controller in every one of these route. And let me also create methods here: invoice controller, this generate method, download method, and this send method. And now if I come here in the browser, and here let me say laratips.test/invoice/send. So you can see here invoice send, which is being returned from here. And also let me show you the route list, PHP artisan route list like this. It is showing here everything is messed up. So we also have PHP artisan route list help command. So here we have this over here compact. So we can also write here -c. So here I'll say -c, and I'll only use the invoice here like this. So we can see here these routes. So invoice download, generate, send, and it has this invoice controller, download, generate, and send. Now instead of writing all this invoice controller, we have a new method called controller like this, and here we'll pass this invoice controller class. And now we can easily remove these things from here. So here I'll remove this and this from here. Now you can see here it is looking so much cleaner. We don't have to write invoice controller in each and every of this route. And now if I again show you here route list, you can see both of these and these are the same thing now. And if I again come here and reload, we can see the same results. And let us also see this generate one. We can see this invoice generate from this invoice controller over here.